Over 3 decades ago in Houston, Texas, a small event occurred that forever changed the world of HVAC. In 1982, Harold V. Goodman started manufacturing heating and cooling products. And while he didn't know it at the time, that idea would propel the company to become a member of the world's largest HVAC and refrigerant manufacturers. That's right. One of the youngest HVAC companies in North America grew to become a member of the world's largest dedicated HVAC business in just 30+ years. It seems that this young company enjoyed fast growth coupled with more and more achievements.